Today we're checking out these valve covers in black for the 2017 to 2023 3.5 liter EcoBoost F-150. If you want to clean up your engine bay, replace leaking or aged stock covers, or you just want to add a touch of style under the hood, these covers are a smart and effective upgrade that are definitely worth checking into. These covers give you durability, better heat dissipation, and a visual refresh all in one package. One of the key features of these valve covers is going to be their high quality construction, which offers both strength and better heat handling compared to the factory stamped covers. This slick black finish helps them blend into the dark engine bay and stand out if you're going for contrast. They come with pre-installed gaskets, making the swap easier and avoiding any leaks if installed properly. The design is a direct replacement for the OEM fit, and you don't have to worry about modifying anything just to swap these out and get them installed. Because they're going to promote some enhanced heat dissipation, they can help control underhood temperatures and reduce stress on those gaskets and seals, especially if they're getting aged and worn out. For those who care about the engine appearance, they also give the engine bay a clean, custom black touch without being too over the top. Now, when it comes to the construction on this, the solid plastic body is going to ensure the rigid, durable housing that won't warp under heat cycles. Machine tolerances are tight enough to maintain a solid seal with the gaskets and the mating surfaces of the engine. The finish is built to resist corrosion and wear over time, and the included gaskets are going to fit neatly into place and give you a secure fit. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, these are coming in right around that mid $300 price range. For that price, you're getting high quality materials, including the gaskets and long-term durability. For those looking to replace aging covers with a clean black option, these are a strong value for just that mid $300 range. When it comes to the installation on this one, it's going to get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 2 hours or less of your time. The process is straightforward. Remove the original covers, clean that mating surface thoroughly so the gaskets get a solid seal, then you position the new covers with the pre-installed gaskets and torque those bolts down to spec. Make sure to double check for leaks after that engine runs for a bit and the oil warms up, and since it's a direct fit replacement, there's no drilling or any custom work required. Just standard tools, time, and a little bit of patience, and you can get this job done. All right, well, that's going to wrap up my review of the valve covers in black for the 2017 to 2023 3.5 liter EcoBoost F-150. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.